I spit them bars like a Ruger, call me Lex Luthor. The best Superman, cause the kryptonite's my soother. Smoking on that chain, that dank that'll soothe ya. Smoking in the open, get you locked up like Snoop Dogg. Life can be a bitch, so I hit it from the back, trying to build up on my stats. Always got the munchies, so I load up on some snacks. I'm working towards a future where I never lack in cash. Remain in the truth, and I'm always stating facts. Turn to making craps instead of smoking crack. Was never good with malice, so I'm glad I missed the draft. Rapping with my lyrics like a soldier with his Mac. Trapping ain't my forte, all it is just a trap. Chances disappear when my verse is not on track. I fall to the wayside when the smoke is what I lack. Nah, never that, I'm loyal to the bag. Always on point like a full fifth of jack.
I need another hit, I'm never gonna sing as long as I stay lit. Yeah, roll up. I need another drink, I need another hit. I'm never gonna sing as long as I stay lit. Yeah, roll up.
Ready? I'm a juggalo, like you ain't fucking know. Only like the juggalettes, fuck them other hoes. That's just how it goes. Riding around town, smoke out the windows. I'm talking hydro. I'm Freddie Fred, I'm a high rider bitch. That means I don't snitch. All I do is get high and fuck yo bitch. Fuck all them haters, I don't deal with this shit. I do this for my fans, and that's about it. I love you if you feel me and you're listening. Call me and I'll be there at your christening. I love fishing in big titty bitches that suck dick. Riders crushing bustin', we ain't nothing to fuck with. Trust me, come across us, you're lucky. I don't get wild and bucky. Behind my back, red dub, true story. I'm fucked up, so I see you
another
in the
drink,
morning.
I need another hit. I'm never gonna sing as long as I stay lit. Yeah, roll up. I need another drink, I need another hit. I'm never gonna sing as long as I stay lit. Yeah, roll up.
Hard like concrete on the street, I'm the nigga that will speak, can't be a peasant. When a king, I'm always buzzing to the ring that be going through your ear from my mouth when it leaks. Don't let my mama shed a tear from the havoc that I bring. Kill beats every day, work hard, never play jerk offs. Try to stay, but they need to masturbate and find fish heads at the bay. Sun tanning as they late in the sun, summer fun. Bigger buns for my meat to come on. Bigger guns for my team to hold on. I roll on what goes on, you hold on for morons. I go hard when you're soft, you smoke tart. I roll up, you sip yours, I pour up. I get high in more cups to make me some more drunk. I get pie from your son to get me in more funk. A wet eye that's sideways is stronger than a death eye from my way. I bet I will violate all the laws from my
I
state.
need another hit, I'm never gonna sing as long as I stay lit. Yeah, roll up. I need another drink, I need another hit. I'm never gonna sing as long as I stay lit. Yeah, roll up.